Hello friend, good afternoon. Welcome in my channel Study Point. Friend, today our topic is anemia. What is anemia? We will discuss about in this video. So let's start friends. So what is anemia? Anemia is a condition which the blood doesn't have enough healthy red blood cells. Anemia results from a lack of red blood cells or dysfunctional red blood cells in the body. This lead reduce oxygen flow to the body organs. Okay, friend. So anemia basically is a disease in which blood does not carry and blood does not make any red blood cells. Okay. So what is symptom for this anemia? So symptom may be include fatigue, skin pallor, shortness of breath, lightheadedness, and dizzying or the fast heartbeat. Okay, friend. So this is basically normal symptoms of anemia. What is reason of anemia? Anemia is a iron deficiency anemia. This is the most common anemia in the normal people. So what is iron deficiency anemia? This is the most common. That's why I'm telling about this, friend. So these most common types of anemia is caused by the shortage of iron in your body. So basically, this is the anemia, iron iron problem in our body. So lack of iron in our body. Your bone marrow needs iron to make hemoglobin. Without adequate iron, your body can't produce enough hemoglobin of red blood cells. Without iron supplementation, these types of anemia occur in many pregnant women. This is basically normal example in our basically pregnant ladies. It is have a iron deficiency anemia. So types, friend. What is types of anemias? First of all, we are going to discuss about aplastic anemia. Aplastic anemia is a condition that occur when your body stop producing enough new blood cells. Okay, so you can see that stop producing enough new blood cells. Our body is not making any new blood cells. That is the reason of aplastic anemia. So you can see this image. This is our bone marrow, and this is not making any new red blood cells, platelets, and white blood cells. Okay. So a rare and serious condition, aplastic anemia, can develop at any age. It can occur suddenly, or it can come on slowly and worsen over time. It can be mild or severe. This can be a friend. This is can be severe or mild. Okay. So this was the aplastic anemia. The next one is the symptom of aplastic anemias. Okay. So what is symptom? Bone marrow open pop up dialog box. Aplastic anemia can have no symptom. When present, sign and symptom can be included. So normally symptom is this, friend. Shortness of breath. Already told you in the this video for first. And rapid irregular heart rate. Okay, friend. Pale skin, frequent of prolonged infection, and spleen or easy bruising, and novel bleeds, and the bleeding gums, prolonged bleeding from cuts, skin rash, dizziness, headache, and fever. This is common symptoms of the aplastic anemias. Okay, friend. So, this was aplastic anemia. Then we are going to next. What is iron deficiency anemia? So iron deficiency anemia, friend. Iron deficiency anemia is a common type of anemia. Okay, a condition in which blood lack adequate healthy red blood cells. Red blood cells carry oxygen to the body in tissue. Okay, as the name of implies, iron deficiency anemia is due to insufficient iron you can learn by this name iron deficiency in the mean that low iron in your body or blood. Okay friend, so iron is compulsory and main of in our body. So this basically the iron deficiency anemia, the low of iron in your body and blood. So without enough iron your body can't produce enough substances in red blood cells that enable them to carry oxygen means hemoglobin. As a result, iron deficiency anemia may leave you tired and short of your breath. Okay friend, so if you have or your person and any other person have this anemia, so problem in your breath mean that your breath will be short. Okay, so you can see this image, normal blood cells and anemic blood cells. Okay friend, white blood cells and platelets. What is symptoms? Symptom is initially iron deficiency anemia can be so mild that it goes unnoticed, but as the body become more deficiency in iron and anemia worsen, the sign and symptom intensify. Iron deficiency anemia sign and symptom may include extreme fatigue, weakness, pale skin, chest pain, fast heartbeat, or shortness breath. I already tell this, headache, dizziness, and lightheadedness, cold hands and feet, inflammation or soreness of your tongue, brittle nails, unusually cravings for the non-nutritive substances such as ice, dirt, or starch, poor appetite, especially in the infants and children with the iron deficiency anemia. Okay friend, so this anemia basically happen in the infants and child and newborn babies. Okay friend, now third one is a sickle cell anemia. What is sickle cell anemia? Sickle cell anemia is one of a group of disorder known as a sickle cell disease. Sickle cell anemia is a inherited red blood cell disorder in which there aren't enough healthy red blood cell to carry oxygen through your body. This is basically our red blood cell, what is concave or like circle size, but in this sickle cell anemia blood red blood cells change her shape like sickle. Okay, so that means sickle cell anemia normally the flexible round and red blood cells move easily through the blood. Okay, I already tell you the board, you can see in this image, you can understand better our red blood cell size, were flexible and concave side, but in this sickle cell anemia the red bloods are shaped like sickle. Okay, or crescent moons. These rigid stick cell can get stuck in the small blood vessels which can slow and block blood flow and oxygen to parts of the body. Okay, you can see this image sickle cell anemia looking in the different way. What is symptoms? Symptoms are non symptom basically not important. So we are going to discuss thalassemia. Thal also be uhu. Okay, this is a name of thalassemia in is an inherited blood disorder that cause of your body to have less hemoglobin than normal. Hemoglobin enable red blood cell to carry oxygen. Thalassemia can be cause anemia, leaving your fatigue. Uh, if you have mild thalassemia, you might not be treatment, but more severe form might require regular blood transfusion. You can take step to cope with fatigue, and such as choosing a healthy diet and exercise regularly. Okay, and this is anemia. There is the first is anemia and second one is normal. Okay, symptom, what is symptom? Fatigue, weakness, pale yellowish skin, facial bone deformities, and slow growth abdominal swelling and dark urine. Okay, last one is vitamin deficiency anemia. Vitamin deficiency anemia is a lack of healthy red blood cell caused when you have lower than normal amounts of certain vitamins. Okay, so in your body it not have vitamins, so this is reason of vitamin deficiency anemia, because vitamin is important for our body. So this is reason of vitamin deficiency anemia. So vitamin linked the vitamin deficiency anemia include folate, vitamin B12 and vitamin C. Okay, so vitamin deficiency anemia can be occur if you doesn't don't eat enough food containing folate, vitamin B12 or vitamin C, or it can be occur in your body has trouble absorbing or processing these vitamins. Okay, so what is symptom of fatigue, shortness of breath, dizziness, pale of yellowish irregular heartbeat, weight loss, and numbness and tingling your hands and feet, muscles weakness, personality change, unsteady and movement, mental confusion and or forgetfulness. Okay, so this was our topic anemia. So friend, hope you understand better in this video. So if you like and if you like this video, so please subscribe my channel and share in another group, and thanks so much.